This 12-piece amber strobe light kit delivers strong, attention-grabbing brightness from each compact 6-diode module, making it well-suited for emergency and work vehicles that need to be seen quickly. The ultra-slim housings mount cleanly on grills, bumpers, and other flat surfaces, so you can add highly visible warning lights without bulky hardware getting in the way. With one steady burn mode and 17 different flashing patterns, plus a memory function, it is easy to tailor the light behavior to specific jobs or local regulations and have it resume the last setting automatically. The simple 4-wire hookup and clearly separated power, ground, pattern, and synchronization leads make installation straightforward for do-it-yourself users and professionals alike. Sealed construction, waterproof design, and good heat dissipation help these modules stand up to bad weather and long duty cycles, reducing the need for frequent replacements. The built-in synchronization feature lets you link multiple heads so they flash together in a coordinated pattern, which greatly improves overall visibility and makes your vehicle lighting look more professional.